My dad, he's not good. Soundboard trolling. I know yesterday I said my fault, guys. I know yesterday I said I was gonna do mods, and I didn't really use them because I was just having fun recording for you guys. I didn't want it to be so long, 32 minutes. I mean, that's a little long if you ask me. So like, yeah, I'm just gonna fix that up. I'm gonna make this maybe about 10 minutes or so. Yeah. So let's go. Give me a minute, guys. Okay, let's go.
Do you want to do a Daisy 09 roleplay? Oh, wow. No.
Play mini games.
Why?
Yeah, sure, I'll play mini games.
I want Daisy 09.
I need to my big.
Okay.
Go.
I have
Whoa.
arms.
Bro, teach me how to fucking funny run. Can somebody teach me how to funny run?
You move your arms funny. That's how you funny run.
This?
Yeah, you move your arms around like a little bug.
I thought it was like this. That was like, that's funny run? No.
Yeah, that's funny run. You go like that. You just gotta move your arms
look.
fast.
Leave me alone, demon.
Oh, who was that?
That was you, bro. Wait, you got a soundboard? You got a soundboard?
No, I don't have.
Bro, give me a high five if you got a soundboard.
I don't have.
Hey, you, that's tiny. Come on, and I'll show
Warrior,
you
have battle.
to get all the way
Activate battle.
under.
Pepino versus
Yeah.
Under
Knight of the Cooking Table.
Come on, follow my hand and just funny, guys. Right here.
Ooh,
Oh yeah, you wanna start a battle, bro? You wanna start a battle? You
Go
wanna
down
start a
and you'll go probably in. Get in. Jump. Do you want to go back in that maze and come with me? Can
Guys,
you lead me to the
guys,
exit?
guys.
I'll be
follow me, guys. Guys.
bonk?
Hey,
I just bonked you.
hey, follow
What?
me, bro. Follow
Hey,
me.
you tiny one.
Yeah, but then all my powers are gonna be lost.
You can get them back.
This is what my original character looks like. Please do not turn back. Guys, please don't look back. I'm so picky. Do not look back. I'm kidding. This is how I really look like.
I'm gonna go very much. Hey, bye, guys.
Ah, bummer.
Oh, never mind, bro. Never mind, bro. I'm not going in.
Oh, I can go in. I'm gonna go in.
I'm going.
Hey, wait. Can you come?
My fault, guys. Keep having to do something, so it's getting annoying. Wait, is this casual?
No, that's just stop talking about yourself, bro. You can't catch me. I'm using one hand only. You still can't catch me.
Why is this guy built like that?
You're stupid.
Because he's stupid.
Put your hand on here.
So are you.
Whoa, he just called
Stop
someone
being mean to
stupid.
him,
That's
bro.
not very nice.
So are you.
Hey,
Your mom's dead.
so
That's
hey,
how you
don't say
fuck
that.
your
Don't say
friend.
that. Don't say that. Guys, follow me.
You
Come
too,
in my
bro.
house, guys. Guys, follow my house.
You
Come
too.
in my house.
Bro, stop being mean to him, bro.
Oh,
But he is stupid, so why?
Hey, come here, Cowboy.
Why is he stupid? Just because
He's
he's
a
playing
dumb
on a
robot.
computer?
He's not a
He's
robot.
not a he's a person. He's playing on a keyboard. He's playing on a keyboard.
Everybody.
What is going on?
You can do this.
No, you do
No,
not.
that's how you broke.
Hey,
I'm
green,
reporting.
green,
I'm muting everyone.
green.
Oh, I just reported everyone by accident. Oopsies.
Bro, report Freddy. He just reported the entire lobby.
I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I'm reporting everyone for cancel. I'm reporting everyone for cancel.
Oh, you can do this.
Did you really report me for doing
Who did that?
Can you join different codes, man?
Wait, right. Put your hand right here. Put your hand right here, right? Right, put your hand right here.
Who's on mine?
It's pink.
I didn't do anything. I didn't report
Yeah,
anyone.
pink. Purple, it's pink. This is pink. Why do you like this? Okay, pink. Put your hand right here, pink. Pink.
Playing on a keyboard, okay?
Put your hand here.
Oh, okay.
Wait, do you have your microphone on? Do you have your microphone on?
I'm gonna report you.
Yep, I'm reporting.
Yes or no?
You reported me.
My bad, guys. I had to go.
Okay.
Hold up.
Report me.
I'm on this video.
Hold up. Ding.
Okay, dude. So, pink. Oh, fuck off, pink.
Shut
do
the
this.
fuck up.
Can you join other
Hey,
codes,
Joe.
Amy?
I don't know, but I don't know what he's doing.
Okay, to make
Have a
it
bite of your
fair,
cupcake, sir.
listen, I
Bro, I can't find it. Oh, there it is.
Bro, who's there, man? Who's there, right? Oh,
Hey, blood. Hey, blood. I'm gonna turn around real quick. Tell me if you see something behind me, okay? Okay?
You know James is bad when everyone just hangs up. You know James is bad.
How old are you?
What was behind me?
You know, nah, guys. Nah, please.
Name this hoe.
You know,
Turn around.
when cave
Wait,
is
pick,
the worst
pick.
map.
When I turn
everyone
around, tell
hangs
me
up
what,
and stuff.
when something is behind me, okay?
Uh-oh, bro. There's someone behind you, bro. He's right there, bro.
Are you
He's right there.
Wait, what?
He's right there, bro. I see him.
Oh, this is what I'm trying to get
Where?
at.
I
Tell
see
me
him.
when something is behind me, okay?
Wait, I see him, bro. Don't move, bro.
Pink, follow me. You want to see a guy
Don't
struggle
move.
to
I see
get
him right
out?
there.
Bro, what is
Pink. Let's watch the struggle.
Uh-oh.
That's
Here,
what-
bro.
Oh God.
Here, bro.
Aw.
You guys gotta be careful.
He was
out here.
struggling so much.
You gotta be careful.
Yeah,
out here.
yo, Pink, wanna come? Pink, come, bro. Pink, let's go check out something. Really? Oh, hey, no. Don't go there, bro. Don't go there.
Wait, what happened? What happened?
So are you? No, someone said, wait. No.
Wait, Bruce?
Bro, let me check the lines, bro. Right?
Hey, bro, let's check something out. Bro. Come on, bro.
Okay, Brian.
Come on, bro. Okay.
Yeah, bro.
Sonic.exe.
Oh, shit,
You're the
bro.
goat.
Oh, God. I'm
Oh,
scared.
hey. Oh,
I need you in there, bro.
Oh,
I need you in
hey.
there. Oh, I told you, he in there. Daisy in there, bro. I'm gonna go get you, Daisy.
Wait, is he a ghost, you guys?
Sonic
Is he a ghost?
Hey, Daisy. Where's Daisy, bro?
Because I'm a ghost. And
Oh
I'm
my
gonna
God.
challenge.
Hey, report him. He's a ghost. Report Puppet. He's a
No,
ghost.
Report him. I am a nice ghost.
No, you're not, bro. I've seen you in my lobby before,
Oh, yeah, I can do
bro.
that, bro. Look at this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please don't report
Why
me.
is
You're
this
not
funny?
gonna be anybody.
Don't leave.
Just play a song.
Let me
Play a song.
use your wizard staff on this to make it grow. Make it grow. Make
Play
it
a
grow.
song.
Pink.
Baby, don't
Let's go check out
hurt
the
me.
goofy mines.
Come on.
Wait,
Yeah.
you have the same color code as me. You have the
What?
same. Oh my God! It made it so big.
Guys. Trust.
Yeah, we have the same color code. I really should
Guys,
that
I
long.
gotta go. Bye, guys. I'm going to my
Me
house
too.
now. I gotta go, guys.
So you actually have a VR headset?
What? What you say about me?
Okay.
Bro,
What kind of game?
oh, you got this friend.
Like apps.
What is he doing? This guy is hilarious.
Whoa, who's
We love
hilarious?
this guy. We vouch for this guy. You made
Who?
my thing grow.
Who?
You made it grow.
Yeah, and
You.
it smells bad. It smells bad.
Okay, make it smaller.
No, I said it smells bad.
Just make it smaller. It's too big. Okay,
Okay,
you're
give
going
me-
in it. You get
Wait,
it. You get it.
wait. Give me a minute. I got
Eat
you,
it.
bro. Give me a minute, bro. I got you.
Got you cheese.
There you go, bro. I fixed.
Do you ever play
Your
on your
PC
headset?
player.
Thank you.
Like, is
Your PC player.
No
What
problem.
do you think the worst game is?
Now come back here.
only play on, like,
No, bro. I
PC.
can't. I gotta go. I gotta go
Come
home,
back
bro.
here, Daddy.
Name the
No,
worst.
no, 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 no.
Oh, that's too bad. You're
No, no,
going
no, no, no.
inside of me.
Trust, trust, trust. No, 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 no.
You
Trust.
don't
Okay,
know
I'll
why
trust you.
play on
Trust,
both
trust.
of them?
Follow me.
Okay.
Wait.
I don't know why. Okay, I'm following you.
Why do you look like this?
Wait.
Why I look like this?
Okay, come on.
Okay,
Your neck is broken.
so bro, what's in the mines, dude?
Oh
So
no.
what-
Wait, give me a
In
minute.
the
Wait, I'm gonna
We gotta
refix
check it
it.
out.
I'm gonna refix it.
yeah, but let's check that thing right there. Come on, bro.
Alright, it should be fixed now.
Bro, so what's the word?
Come here, bro.
I got the Unity Explorer.
Oh, shit, bro.
No,
Uh-oh.
Shake them booty cheek like Balbazar.
Guys. Shut up.
Quiet.
Hang on, I got a
I
fart.
got the Unity
My God,
Explorer.
guys.
What do I do next?
Wait, don't flirt. I got you. Give me a minute.
Scroll
Okay.
because
Hang on.
that's something I would know to do.
Don't flirt.
This is probably one of the
Guys, I go in my house, okay? I gotta go knock on the door, bro. My fault, guys. My fault, guys.
This bro is mad funny.
Follow me, guys.
Voodoo magic.
Why is bro mad funny?
Who's funny?
Bro, what do you want from me? Bro,
Bro, I'm
you're
recording
hitting
this
the
ghost
wall,
and everything.
999. You're just hitting the wall.
He's so funny, bro.
Guys, wait a minute. Okay, we're okay. Wait, guys. Wait. Back up, bro. You better back up, bro. Back up.
Like, private.
Wait, do you also
Guess what? I have a gift for you.
Okay. My fault, guys.
Mwah.
What are you looking at? Back up. Back up.
Yeah, back up. No.
You're so fast.
He's meant
Back
to
up.
be.
Whoa.
Because he runs away from
Come here.
me.
Come here.
No, because he runs away from me and
No,
it's really
no.
fun.
Where'd you go?
I like chasing my victims.
Come back here. I see you. You're facing through the ground.
He's run away.
Man's facing through the ground. That's funny.
Wait,
What are you
bro,
looking at?
what do you have
Running
to
away.
teach me
Why
back?
you
It would
hit
be
me?
fun playing tag like that. At least
What?
I think it
Why
would
your
be.
neck is broken?
Why?
though?
You just see people just run.
No, I'm not.
Don't mess with me, bro. I am good.
People like that.
What are you looking at?
Oh, that's
Sure, well. Guys, I gotta go. Guys. My fault.
You can't follow me anymore. You can't.
Bro,
what is he doing?
I'm here.
Help me.
Whoa, bro, I gotta go to the hospital.
Yeah, I want to say my team.
Why are you chasing me, bro? Why are you chasing me, bro?
Because you're beautiful.
Catch up with me.
No.
Bro, I gotta go to a hospital.
Do you want to go hunting?
Yes.
Wait, pig.
Open the door.
teleporting.
Open the door. Open the door. I love you.
Maybe he can't.
Open, unlock the door.
He can't even stay up there. He's so bad.
I'm actually.
Don't hit me.
Yo, pig. Pig, follow me.
Move away, guys. Move away.
You're getting me mad. I'm out of rage.
And then
I'm out of rage. What the fuck is that doing? What the fuck is that doing? What are you doing?
Don't
Pink.
follow me, pink.
What the fuck,
Pink.
bro?
Pink.
Oh no,
Pink. Follow me. Follow me. Let's
Go away
check
from
that
me,
thing.
guys. Get away from me. Go away from me, guys.
Shake them booty cheeks like ball bazaar. Have a great rest of your day, Nemos.
Don't touch me.
What is he
Don't
doing?
touch me.
Don't stop that dirk. Hey, don't stop that dirk.
Oh my goodness. Oh, pink. Oh, pink. Pink, want to see something?
Guys,
Pink,
I
let's
gotta
check the
go. I
mines.
gotta go. I gotta do my outro. I gotta go.
Good boy. Oh, okay, I'll watch it.
Bye, guys.
Stephen
Bye, guys.
Yeah, me too. No, wait,
Bye, guys.
What has happened to you?
No, hold on, wait. Can you
You
friend
threw
me?
the same code again.
Friend me.
Guys, come up here.
Sir, did you just join the same code?
Freddy, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Stephen Hawking's in the server.
My fault, guys. I got me. Okay,
He's chasing me, by the way. He chases me. He's chasing me.
guys,
You'll never catch me.
join the code.
Nameless, you'll never catch
Join
me.
the code. Hey, not this kid though. This gorilla kid. What are you doing? And same with this guy. What is it? 999.
Look.
You'll never catch me alive, Nameless.
Not me.
Hey, get out here,
Nameless
bro.
is
Get
chasing
out
me.
here, bro.
What? Wait.
Bro, I can feed you cheese. Let me feed you cheese, man.
Excuse me?
Okay, guys. The code is gonna be.
So, how did you do that?
The code is. Oh my fault. The code is gonna be H
server. Just do this.
H
U
U
B
B
1.
1.
Alright, join it.
Floor challenge me.
God, bro, these kids. Alright, bro, this one's pretty long. I didn't expect it to be this long. Imagine they got the code wrong. That'd be so funny, bro. Okay, no, they didn't. Alright.
Bro, it's here.
Wait, guys, the video's too long. Come on, move. I gotta do my outro. The video's going too long. Okay.
I'm under the seat. Hello, greetings, traveler.
Alright, guys, come here.
Hey,
Come right here. Come
Don't
where I
make
am.
them
Come where I am.
bunch.
Come where I am. Freddy, get your ass over here.
Wait, get your butt over here,
Freddy's.
Bro, where's his goofy butt?
Alright.
Bro, he's not.
Oh, he's not here. It's just us. It's just us. Okay, my fault. Here, let me bring it closer to you guys. Actually, should I do it?
I'm going to be with Pink. Let me be
Alright,
with
guys, come
Pink.
this way. Come.
Set
Actually, no.
up
My fault. Stay there. Okay. Back up. Okay.
Hey, don't move away from me.
My fault again.
Move. No.
Tomorrow, I'll be on here again.
Move
Okay,
away.
guys. Thank
Move away
you.
from me.
Bye, thinkies.